Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, looking at two Rolex Cellini men's dress watches. Cellini is the sub-brand under Rolex that specializes in dressy watches, more formal watches. And as you can see, these two are both very simple, plain, formal-looking watches. They make ladies' watches too, but these are men's watches because these are about 31 millimeters in diameter. I've got one that's got a gold case with gold Roman numerals and one that's all monochromatic with a stainless steel case and silver Roman numerals. And I think that the gold is really fun because it warms up the whole watch, and the stainless steel one is great because it keeps it very cool and simple. And both watches are great, and they can be paired with lots of different bracelets and bangles if you're into that, or worn alone. I think these would make great ladies' watches as well as great gentlemen's watches because they're just so simple, and that makes them so versatile. You should check these and all of our Rolex Cellini watches out at SwissWatchExpo.com.